I just deadlifted 225 pounds new weight. I'm not sure why I almost lost my balance here. How can I prevent this?
So why did she lose balance here? I watched this video several times in a couple of your other deadlift videos, and here's my opinion just as a trainer who's been training people for a bit and done a little bit of powerlifting myself. To me, it looks like you're shifting just a little bit too far forward onto your toes at your setup. And to me, in this max attempt, it looks like after you shifted too far forward onto your toes, you then shifted too far back onto your heels to compensate. This is fine when you're lifting lighter weights because the weight's not so heavy that it's going to knock you out of position when you get to lockout, but when you start approaching 1 rep max type stuff, this might happen. My suggestion on how to fix this is actually not my idea. This is actually stolen from Steffi Cohen, who, if you don't know, is one of the greatest powerlifters ever. But here's the deal. Pick up a weight that is about half of your 1 rep max, and then slowly lower that weight to the floor, paying attention to your hip position and foot pressure when the bar touches the floor. This new foot and hip position will probably be the optimal foot and hip position for maximum drive through your feet so you don't lose balance in the future. But it's also possible that this was just a mistake that happened when you were lifting maximal weight because weird stuff sometimes happens when we max out. Or I could just be wrong or misreading it, or maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. There, now you have all options.